Before we begin, we'd like to thank Suzuki Philippines for allowing us to feature the 2019 Suzuki Jimny at the Autofocus Test Drive Festival. Hey everyone, welcome to Auto PH. Today, we'll be checking out the 2019 Suzuki Jimny. This video will be a full tour of the Jimny. We'll be checking out the different exterior and interior features. Here's the key, let's go ahead and check it out. The Jimny comes with black interior with fabric seats. To start the vehicle, simply turn the key. This vehicle comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission with low gear selection. This vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with 105 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. It is mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission. The 2019 Suzuki Jimny's headlights are similar to those on the first-generation Jimny. The 7-slot grille mimic those of the third generation. All new for 2019, the Jimny is equipped with height-adjustable LED headlights. The front fog lights are mounted on the bumper. On the rear, you have horizontal taillights mounted on the bumper. The rear tailgate-mounted spare tire is the same as all Jimnys. The exterior color on this Jimny is known as kinetic yellow. The two horizontal lines mimic those on the side of the hood of the second-generation Jimny. The Jimny comes with 15-inch alloy wheels in 195/80 R15 tires. This vehicle comes with a 7-inch touchscreen display with AM or FM radio, DVD, navigation, iPod connectivity, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity. Here, you have your single-zone automatic climate control. The knob on the right controls your temperature. The one on the left controls your fan speed, while there is a display in the center. Window controls, traction control on or off switch, and hill descent control are located in the center. Below, you have a USB port and power outlet. On both sides of the steering wheel are the controls for the entertainment system and cruise control. Above, you have your interior map lights. To access the rear seats, you can pull the lever on the front passenger seat to move it forward, making it easier to access the rear. The rear seat in the Jimny is actually decent with enough room for adults with a height of 5 feet and 7 inches to 5 feet and 9 inches as long as the front seats are moved forward. The Jimny's trunk is more practical to use with the second row of seats folded down. Once folded, you have a flat load floor and an underfloor storage area.
Okay lang ba ikaw? Kumusta naman sa likod?
Sakto lang, okay lang, comfortable.
Comfortable naman.
Hindi lang umabot yung
Anong height mo, kuya?
5'9".
Kasi 5'9 ako pero hindi, medyo may uwang pa naman siya.
Grabe, kaya wag po tayo magpatalo sa sa traffic. Dapat po prepared tayo at tayo ay positive vibes lagi. Alam mo, may nabasa ako sa Facebook. Parang yung traffic daw dapat hindi natin isipin na parang 2 hours. Isipin natin bilang 2 hours na solo concert. Hindi, pero yun nga po.
Ilang years ka na nagdadrive?
Natin maigi yung mga natin, yung mga lakad po natin para hindi po tayo natatalo.
Grabe talaga.
Yung energy
Okay,
natin,
years.
yung pera
So parang
Ayan.
batang-bata ka pa, nag-drive ka na pala.
Ayan. And of course, aside from that po, meron po tayong i-discuss din. Meron pong mga taga-Meralco dito mamaya po at i-discuss po nila kung ano ba itong kanilang bagong talent resourcing automated communication and information. Yung parang automated yung parang hiring process nila. Ang maganda dito kasi mga kapatid, pwede rin natin tanong sa kanila kung parang trend ba ito na ganito na ngayon ang parang automated na ganyan. Tapos meron tayong tinatawag na mga chatbots. Kaya mamaya po aalamin po natin mula sa mga taga-Meralco ang detalye nito. Ayan. So mga kapatid, as always po hindi po ako nag-iisa dito, hindi kaming dalawa lang ni Michelle ang magsasalita dito. Kasali po kayo sa mga usapan namin, kaya kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, may mga suggestions po kayo or opinions, reactions, kung may mga siguro may gusto kayong i-suggest sa amin na mga guests, welcome po yan. Kung kayong talakayin kami dito, yan, just tell us. Yan, meron po kaming Facebook. Ang Facebook page po namin ay www.facebook.com/Oplan-Asenso or type nyo po dun sa search box, Oplan Asenso. Ayan nga po, makikita nyo dun ang mga ang mukha namin ni Michelle nung kami mga bata pa. Yes. 8 years ago na yan. Papalitan na namin ni Mitch yung cover namin sa Facebook, kaya abang-abang. Yung mas recent, yung mas fresh. Hindi yung parang mukhang fresh out of college. Ayan, yun po. At syempre po, may live streaming po ang Oplan Asenso. Mamaya po, share ko po dun sa Facebook page ng Oplan Asenso. Pero sa ngayon po, makikita nyo po yan sa Facebook page ng Radyo 5. Yan po ay Radyo 5.
Sino nakasakay nung current na Jimny? Wala pa.
Yan, nandyan na po umaalis.
Kasi mas lumuwag talaga yung new Jimny.
Of course, bukod po sa Radyo 5, 92.3 News FM na radyo, hindi Facebook. Yan, bukod po sa Radyo FM Radio. Yan, hello po sa mga nasa kotse ngayon, nasa mga sasakyan at nasa mga lansangan. Thank you for listening. Yan, ay napapanood din po tayo live po sa Action TV, Channel 41 po. Sa Free TV, Channel 6. Kung kayo po ay signal subscribers, Channel 59 sa Sky Cable and Destiny. Diyan po sa bandang Cebu and Davao, Cagayan de Oro, Puerto Princesa at Zamboanga. Kami po ay Channel 29. Dagupan, Channel 40. Tacloban, Channel 44. Sorsogon, Channel 11. At Sanaga, Channel 5.
Ayos naman bro.
That's all for the 2019 Suzuki Jimny. Please subscribe and watch out for more videos.